Got them Odins on deck, some med caps, AK mags, everything you can need. You even got blank firing adapters. Don't know why you would need that for airsoft, but hey, be like that. Hey, and they got the battery extensions for the Ronins. What else is that? I think that's the, yep, the GNG. All your parts. Got them Titans. Hey, I'm gonna get one of these joints. Got tanks for HPA, everything. Hey, they got them, what's them joints called? The WeTech. Them shits still look like the AAP ones or whatever. Joints looking nice. Pouches. Got Titan battery chargers. They got drum mags. Got the T6, can't go wrong with that one. Shotguns, a little bit of everything. And they got grenades too. And they got my tracer. Hey, that joint go hard. They need to get that blaster. So, hopefully, the video clear. Quick walkthrough of the field. It's a medical bay. Med bay, come to sick call. Get your quarters slipped because you got a little slight cough. It's the quarters for the basement LARPers. Spending mommy and daddy's credit card. I think it's a library. Yeah, you can get on Pornhub. Hey. Bet. We got the back spawn. Call your grandma. Use your anytime message as long as it's under past 9 o'clock. Oh, this is one of the spawns. You need to hit the lights, turn off the lights. Little interactive lights they got at this field. Little hidden walkways and whatnot. Come through. Yep, hit that, turn off the lights. Pretty cool little place. Oh yeah, let me show y'all the rest. This is one of the points you gotta capture. Some more room, hiding and shit. It might be a midget in this bad boy. I don't know. I thought it was a midget like Borderlands or something. Get some good loot.
So many things I know.
Give me an umbrella armor, get another Bloomies upgraded gun. It's one of the main parts of the field, the warehouse, where a lot of action happening. If I had my gun, I'd be able to show y'all how you shoot the lights out. Back here, we want to go get that grade A meth, aka the other spawn. Try to keep it in life. I look like I'm walking into the devil's warehouse. Candyman finna come on and get my ass. Whole lot of gang shit. It's like one of the video games. You stay in the light, the creatures can't get you. Switches you gotta flip. I'm playing Domination. You got the other briefcase section right there. Come through this motherfucker like Rainbow Six Siege. Quick peek.
He got a Crytek light machine gun. He got the SR upper for the road.
It's another little walkthrough section. Other fast-paced part of the map. The filing cabinets. First come, first serve in here. Straight path to the other side. Let me see if I can find that joint out. Yeah, I'm just Throw some BBs at it. Turn it off. Oop. That's the field. This man got the Black Ranger ARP9. Facts. It's all good. Y'all mind if I record y'all loadouts for my video?
Yeah.
Alright.
He wants to record loadouts.
Yeah. This man got the bipod, putting in work, Red Odin, whole lot of gang shit. Hey, good shit out there, man.
Ready to go, bro?
What's up? Nah, if we got one more game, I'm gonna still play. But I'm just recording people's loadouts right now for my video.
Yeah, man.
See what y'all got going on.
Tag me, man.
What's up?
Tag me.
Hey, I got you, boss. I got you.